Good morning.
Morning.
It is very cold this morning. It's probably the coldest day we've had so far.
It's like 5
That
degrees.
being said, look at that beautiful blue sky. We really did expect it to just be cloudy and rainy and horrible, but actually it's been very nice. And today's activities, what do we have in store?
Walking.
A lot of walking. We're going to go to
Harry Potter.
some Harry Potter thing.
Illusions of Magic or something.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm not really
Like an art
100%
sort
sure
of
what
Harry
it is.
Potter art thing, isn't it? Kind of.
Interactive Harry Potter art gallery, I guess.
Should be cool.
And after that, we're just going to make it up as we go along. Let's see if I don't freeze to death first. I didn't want to film the peeing man again, but they've changed his little outfit. Look.
Peeing girl.
Yeah.
It's a
Surprise.
peeing girl. We've seen all the peeing things.
I was like, I can't come to Brussels and not see all the peeing things. Have you seen the little peeing boy? You've seen the peeing girl? And you've seen the peeing dog?
And we see the dog. I love her happy face.
Yeah.
Peeing.
Can someone explain why do they do this in Brussels? Just leave a comment if you know why. It's been happening nearly every day.
Yeah, what way?
That way. Yeah. Visions of magic. Oh yeah, I can hear the Harry Potter music. Shame I might have to censor it all out. Yes. Where are you?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. What's your opinion?
It was fun. Clever.
It was clever.
Very cute. And what do you think?
It was good. But I
Needs to
feel
be
like
half
it
the
just
price.
it needs to be half the price.
Yeah. It's a bit
Or a
expensive
little
for what
bit
it is.
more.
Exactly.
But it was still
It's
cool.
fun.
It
Yeah.
was fun.
More adults in there than kids.
No, it definitely is. Yeah. Aren't into it as
No, not as much really.
some people are dressed up in like Hogwarts
I know.
outfits, and then we're just here. All boring.
know.
Dude, I literally had like a painted scar on his head, and I hate to say it, the price is for the big fans
Oh yeah.
because they'll definitely pay
They'll
to
come.
come. About 60 pounds.
Yeah.
And if we weren't filming, like you said, you could probably walk around that in 5 minutes. I think we were waiting to get into that final room longer than we were like walking around.
Yes.
Now
Smells good.
this is more like it. That smells delicious.
I didn't think I was hungry until I walked in here. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I am. Ow.
Wow, that was unexpected.
Jesus. Now this is a food market. What do we eat? Everything.
Do you think this is relatively new then?
It looks
Because
it,
like
don't
all
it?
these stores are still
Yeah.
empty. What's on the menu then? What are we having?
Oh God, I don't know. We've got to walk around the whole thing
I
then
don't
decide.
really want to, it's so far. Just what the doctor ordered. This place is adorable. Gonna get a couple of drinks. Maybe get a snack or two. One.
This is adorable.
You're right.
No, don't like the brown one. It tastes like chemicals.
An
Can't
Aperol.
go wrong.
No. Have a taste test, yeah. This is what I was supposed to get. Somehow these appeared. Beautiful. Cheeky slice of pizza for the road. Yeah.
So good.
It is actually the bomb. It's the bomb.
The bomb.
We are off to our next destination. We're not really 100% sure where we're going now.
Oh
Come on,
God.
you loser.
It's terrifying.
We're fed up with walking. We got ourselves some bikes. Let's go. Let's go. Chop chop.
Woo! Woo! Whee!
These are fun.
They're pretty fun.
Come on. Chop
I'm
chop.
coming.
Oh yeah, this is the life.
Woo!
Should have done this earlier. We walked 40 minutes to get here. Now we've got another 40-minute walk, but we decided just to ride.
Whee!
I wonder if the mic's picking up your wheeze and woos.
Whee!
Whee! Oh!
Pookie? Pookie is missing.
So here I am on a bike. We crossed. Just look, Dima's gone. Don't know what direction. 3 different directions he could have gone. No idea where he is. He crossed the road and zoomed off. So here I am waiting, and he's rinsing the bike money. Here he is. What the?
It disappeared. I turned the... What are you doing? Where did you go?
He said cross the road, and I come round here, and you were nowhere to be
Why the
seen.
hell are you going this way?
Because you said cross the road. So I
Follow
crossed
me!
the road.
Follow me!
I didn't know where you'd gone.
What do you mean you don't know where I went? I was
And
looking
you'd
for you for like 10
disappeared.
minutes.
I thought he must have gone down there. 'Cause
Well,
I can't
clearly
see
I didn't
him.
go down there.
You?
Pay attention, you idiot.
I was like,
You absolute moron.
you are? You just went off without me.
I went like 10 minutes down this road and I turned around, she's nowhere to be seen. She somehow, even though she was like a metre behind me, took completely the wrong turn. And then we just lost each other. You nutter!
You're a nutter.
No, what?
Disappeared. And
I
was
said cross the road and follow.
like, is he?
And you went completely the wrong way.
Yeah, because I didn't know where you went.
What do you mean you didn't know where I went?
Didn't know where you went,
don't
darling.
have eyes? You're crazy. Absolutely crazy. What do you want to tell me?
So, Shane, you were in front of me because you know how we had to go around the police car that was parked in the back lane?
Yeah.
I go around him, he pulls out. Nearly hit
Oh,
me.
he pulled out.
He pulled out.
Oh, I
I
wondered how he
gave
hit
him
you.
a filthy look. I thought, God, he's going to arrest me. So I was going around and he didn't look and he pulls out. And I went... carried on pedalling.
All of that was a bit of a disaster though.
Yeah.
Me having to go to the toilet and...
Yes.
Can I help you? I'm so happy I found that little hole.
Just a little crack hole.
There was like a mattress in there, so
Yeah,
obviously
see?
someone's, yeah.
Sleeping in there.
Yeah. 10 more seconds. Game over, I would have done it in the middle of the road. The place shuts at 5 and it's 4:10. We couldn't park our scooters over there, so now we have to
Yeah.
walk 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're not going to get to where we wanted to go, but we might be able to go to that other, the shiny balls.
Let's see the shiny balls.
We'll have a look.
And we get to nose in this biggest boot sale thing I've ever seen.
We were just riding, and the entire
Honestly goes on
street,
for about 2 or
like
3 miles.
kilometers, was just this.
Mad.
It's literally everywhere. That went on for miles.
Forever. How long do you reckon this road is? Like 3 miles?
I don't know. There's no way we're getting through this quickly. Just anything you could ever want. There's Monopoly, there's some shoes, DVDs, and books. As far as you can see. It's all market.
Do we need to keep going?
And further.
Left.
Checked where my mic was and look at it. By one.
You're so lucky.
Gosh, can you imagine? I dropped that while cycling.
There's some big men for that little car.
Isn't it? All right, so maybe this is all a waste of time. We were going to go here. And there's also something called Mini Europe here, which is just like, it's like Legoland, I guess.
Yeah, it's like a miniature
It's
village.
just a miniature
But it's
Europe. But this is where
Like a
we're
miniature
coming, and it
village.
was, turns out it's a lot harder to get here than we expected. I don't know if we have time to get in. made it in.
We made it.
Atomium. Atomium. We honestly have no clue what we've got ourselves into.
No.
We don't know what this place is. The building looked cool, so we went all this way. And because we came all this way, we decided to go in.
Yeah.
Guess we're going to do some learning.
Yeah.
What did you just learn?
It was made in like the 50s.
Made in the World's Fair in 1958. I'm surprised that this... It looks really futuristic, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's Belgium's own
I'm sure
Eiffel
we'll see
Tower.
pictures. I think there's pictures around the corner.
600,000 visitors every year.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's something cool up here.
We're just
To be
tired.
fair, one of the reviews did say,
Boring.
but the view was good.
I did wonder. Big
Hold
fan.
on, I see a flashing light over there, so it's not all bad yet. That's a cool bridge, actually.
Oh yeah. Are we going in? Oh,
Still, regardless, it isn't. The
is?
building is impressive.
it is.
This is what we
From
paid
the
for.
future.
Oh yeah, this is it.
This is cool.
Yeah.
That is cool. It's like Stranger Things.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It even sounds like it.
Cool.
Look, the colours get better and everyone just left. They just walked straight through. This is awesome.
This looks cool.
Could have a party in here. Come on, let's go.
Oh, it makes me dizzy, that one. Doesn't it? Yeah. Why couldn't they put escalators in this?
Yeah, I know. They just wanted to extend the adventure.
Yeah. Like some chairs.
Last room.
Last one.
Just a view
Yeah.
with filthy windows.
It's not very good view, is it?
Like I can't even like focus out the window.
No. It's grimy. Ooh. There's a gap too, don't drop anything.
Look at that view.
Shit.
Car park. Where we wanted to go. There's a little mini Europe thing.
Oh yeah, it looks very cute actually, doesn't it?
We couldn't make it. Say that again. We went through the whole thing.
The whole thing, don't really know what it's about,
Still don't really know what's going on.
but it's a cool light show.
The lights are cool. Yeah, this is a cool escalator.
This bit's cool.
Candid, we're not looking.
Oh.
So apparently there is one more level all the way up there, which is a viewpoint but the queue is like 30 minutes long. So we decided, no, we're gonna go. And anyway, I got something a lot more important to show you.
Yes.
You gotta bear with me. I know you're tired, but it's a 20-minute walk, and I'm telling you now, 20 minutes is worth it for what I'm about to show you. One last time.
Bye, balls.
Goodbye, balls. Shiny balls. We're gonna have a nice stroll through the park for 20 minutes for something special, something magical.
Yeah.
Yeah. Honey, 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 honey. Target acquired. I can see the fountain. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you steady?
I'm ready.
Don't look at it now. Wait till you get closer.
Harley.
You definitely have to.
How am I gonna not look?
It's just there. You're gonna love this. You're gonna love this. I don't think the fountain's fountaining. I don't actually see water spurting. If water's not spurting, it literally is not funny.
Oh no.
We'll see. There's the fountain. We made it.
Are they
Don't look.
milking?
Huh?
They got water coming from their boobies. What the hell?
That is correct.
They're milking.
They are milking. Look, my thought
What the
process
hell?
was we saw a weeing dog, a weeing boy, a weeing girl. How about
Milking ladies.
How about some milking ladies?
What the hell?
Look at that. You're telling me that wasn't worth travelling all this way?
Milking.
Look at that. Incredible. And there he is, the big man himself, Neptune.
Is that Neptune's nuts?
That's Neptune's nuts, yeah.
Wow.
So what do you reckon, my 10-minute detour? Good, innit?
Pretty funny.
Yeah, funny. 10 out of 10.
So that's it.
Andy, look at those Neptune's cheeks. Look at them. Yeah. According to Google, that is the Museums of the Far East.
Okay.
But Google says it's temporarily closed.
Oh, right, okay.
That being said, the gate is open. So do you want to have a quick peek?
Must need some structural work done.
Must do. I feel like that should have been like a 20-minute journey.
It's like 40 minutes.
But it was ridiculous. Because it didn't even cross my mind that you can't drive through the centre of Brussels. You have to go all the way around the whole city to get here.
Stop.
Yeah, there's so much traffic and people drive like idiots.
They are crazy.
They're not.
I'm like, oh my god, a car is going to hit us. It's going to hit us. You're on like nothing, there's nowhere.
Oh, home sweet home. All right, so we're gonna have a quick meal, and then time for bed.